spaces in between. Never meant anything, 'cause I gave everything I had to build a promised land, a place where proudly I could stand. This castle made of sand is slipping through my hands. The dream is over now. Our hearts have been misguided, lost somehow. The dream is over now. Fate has been decided. It's all been lost somehow. It's over now. Is this a blessing or a curse? A message well rehearsed, a means to justify the end. We're only one